Can you show me eat? Emma? Good job. Eat, please. Good job. Very good. Thank you. All done? Are those shoes? How do you sign shoes? Show mommy shoes. Good job. Do you want to play? Play?
Yeah.
Yes. Play. Good job. Ball. Good job. How do you say dog? Good job. Show mommy baby. Good job. Do you want to read a book? Show mommy book. Good job. Show me water. Can you do water? Good job. How do you say train? Show mommy train. Good job. More? Can you say more? Emma? Please? All right. What you want? Can you say yes? There's yes. Please, yes. Good talking. Emma, can you show mommy the milk? Yes, that's the milk. How do you say milk? Emma, can you sign milk? Emma, sign milk? Please? Sign milk. Very good. Where's the bug? Can you say bunny? Emma, how's the bunny go? What's a cat do?
Meow.
Meow. Can you sign cat?
Meow.
All right. What about bird? Emma, can you do a bird? Emma, show mommy how you sign bird. Good job. Do you want to go outside and see the goats? See the goats? Good job. Emma, do you want to see the horses? Do you want to see the horses? What do the horses say? Good job. What about... Emma? Emma? How do you do fish? Good job. Can you say daddy? Good job. Can you say mama? Good job.